Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to show notification number on status bar. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to display and brightness. Scroll down. Here you can see status bar. Press on this. Now here you can see notification method. Click on it. If you want to show your notification number on your status bar, then press on this numbers option. That's it. So this is how to show notification numbers on a status bar. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.